Hey everybody, welcome to video number 5 in the series of Watch Me Practice Trading NQ on October 1st, 2025, RD version 4 edition. That was quite a mouthful. So this is the 5th episode in the series. We started market open and we've traded through 10:45 a.m. So a little bit over 2 hours altogether. And we just are starting where we left off on video number 4, where we caught this move up and we just got out at the end of video number 4. So we'll kind of see what we want to do here. I drew some levels from before based off of the 1 hour time frames. That's what these guys are here. So we are right here at this 942 level, which came from a day or two ago, something like that. We've got a level up above at 120. It's a ways up. Level down at 1800-ish. Weekly low, daily open, weekly open, so weekly high. So a bunch of stuff above us, a bunch of stuff below us, and time charts on the left, tick charts on the right, and the small, medium, and large tick charts over here. 5-minute top left, 1 hour on the bottom left. I also have a 15-second that I have off screen that I'm looking at. So we kind of want to figure out what we're doing here. We've got a little bit of a pullback. So how much movement did we get here? That's a good question. We came up 144 points across 20 minutes. So that's a pretty decent move for that amount of time. And let's see, we had a pullback. Does this pullback make any kind of sense to us? Yes, over here. Maybe over here. Yes, over here. And we're not even going to look at the 1 hour right now. So the question is, are we figuring there's going to be more of a pullback, or is this kind of okay for now and we long it? So, I mean, this guy here is momentum long bias short right now. It was momentum bias long before, but not super mega bias and momentum long. What is this? Okay, we got volume imbalance here. So I'm expecting there's going to be a move up to here sometime soon. What do we want to do? We could watch it, which is what we're doing right now. Let's zoom in over here a little bit. Wish that didn't draw on top of it. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a move up. Let's move this down a little bit. So I longed to, not at a great level. I'm going to take one off over here. So that's a really small move. But once it gets up here, it might pull back some more. So we'll kind of wait and see what happens. That was a really crummy entrance. Let's see. Let's see if we've got anything here telling us that it's going long or going short. So this looks like a nice bounce. It just needs to kind of do that. Okay, do more of that. Then we're going up. So was this okay? We got one. So we booked $80. Here, I got out of it. Let's just see what's going to happen. So target wise, what are we thinking? 927 on the low, so that's like right here-ish. This is a good target. Next target for higher. Let's go here. Oh, dang, I think we're going to miss this. Heat doing that. I thought it was going to zip up a little bit more. Okay, if we're okay, let's decide here. Let's look at the time. Getting close to lunch time. This is an awful, awful entry. But heck, that's only like 4 or 5 points. We're really zoomed in. Is that what we need to do? Push it up? Just put an order right underneath it and have it run away from us? If that's all it takes, I'll use it to my advantage from now on. Let's try to figure out what this bad boy is doing. So out of that channel, let's see, does that match over here? Sure does-ish. Whoa. What the heck is it doing? It's not what I want to do. Snapping is really annoying. Okay, oh, I'm not even paying attention to what's going on over here. Okay, so we're going sideways. We're at the top of the sideways action, which is not good. We're getting long wicks up on the top side. Got this level here. Okay, keep doing that. It really went sideways for a while with us right on the top end of that channel. Actually, let's bring this entry down here. Okay, and that didn't move us down very much, now did it? Very wicky on the top side. About 5 minutes to the top of the hour. 4 minutes. I do not like this. Getting ready to reverse. This is what we, this is what we need to hold. Looks like it might. It's stalling. Let's get in for two more. Bring us down a little bit, not very much. In for 10. Getting ready to reverse if it goes against us, and it very well could. Should have hung on to this for a little bit longer before I started getting in. But it did look like it was kind of zipping up there. Let's get rid of this channel. Whoa, I'm not paying attention to what's going on. So we are building something here. Don't know what yet. We're on the wrong side of this level. Maybe once we get up above it, we'll just bail on the whole thing and restart. So I really don't like this, and this. These, it's kind of annoying how it's doing this and snapping to everything. Let's see if I can turn that off. But I just don't like how wiki that stuff is. This, and this. Okay, let's look at it real quick. Okay, it's bouncing back. 23. We get below this, might be trouble. And we're kind of in the same situation that we were last time, where we start off 4,000 negative. And terrible place to reverse, right on that level. What are you doing? Okay, we can't keep flip-flopping here. We need to pick a side. Let's evaluate. So we got a line right here. Kind of coincides with the 50, maybe these lows, this low that just happened. Man, we are like at the top over here. Target on the top side, this. Target on the low side, this right here. And I messed that up. Clicked in the wrong place. There's our target. We are positive. Very good. We just need to be a lot more positive to break even. Okay, let's kind of look at, okay, right now I'm thinking it's going to head up here before it goes up here. That's kind of our next area, right? But we need to cross, oh, there we go. I was going to say we need to cross this thing here. Okay, we're in a good position. Let's see if we can break through this. Okay, strong move. That's beautiful. So let's just, for now, we'll just put a trail to follow that up. 64. That's a big trail. Let's make it a little smaller. You know what? We'll just put it here. So let's kind of talk about this mess that I got myself into. What I basically did is it came up here after making this big run. So you expect a bit of a pullback. Let's look at what it actually did. So this is the big area. And if we... Wrong one, man. Okay, let's get rid of this. I think I need to hit this and this. Okay, let's try this again. Here, that's better. Okay, we did not pull back here. We pulled back a little bit more than 25%. So this first move down was 25%. We should take some profits here. This is strong. Well, it's sort of a strong move up. Was this going to be a double top and then pull back down? Let's see what happens with this one. Okay, so how are we looking on these charts? Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. momentum long, bias short, maybe going to switch soon. On this one, it's still short. And then this one is definitely short. So we hit our first target. We're creating kind of a level here now that we just need to be aware of. And why aren't these drawing? It's not drawing on this one. There's something up with this chart. Where is it? It's not on this one either. Okay, but so we've got this level here that I drew with this line. So right now this is kind of like a resistance, support, whatever it is on the top side. So we need to break through this to go up higher. So we've had about 1,500 trades all messing with this line right here. So come on, blast through it, bud. That's at like 971-ish, 972. And then 20,000. Okay, where are we going to worry if it gets down? Because this could be a double top, right? Bing, bing, bing. Go lower. Let's tighten this up just in case. Are you going to flop over or not? It's really late now, so I'm not very chatty. Maybe next video. It's kind of weird. See what it's doing there with that fill. Anyway, sorry, I'm getting distracted. This, okay. This looks good. I'm still gonna move up my stop. So we're breaking that level. It took us 1, 2, 3, 4,000 trades. There we go. There we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, beauty. Okay, let's move this down. Nope, let's move it up. I need to make up my mind. It might take us out here if it rips down to that level. Maybe we should take some off. Oh, this is a large order of 46 lots. Let's take 2 off. Switch this to 8 contracts. This should really be lower. Oh, it's a trail. Okay, what are you doing, dude? So yeah, my next target is up here above 20,000. This is the 200 EMA. There's a whole bunch of garbage over here with the VWAP. Actually, maybe this is going to be our target right here. So actually, no, I take that back. We're going to expect a reaction here, but this is our juicy target right there. But it's stalling. Wow. So, I mean, it could pull back all the way here. We'll get out here if it takes us out. Actually, let's move this down there. Oh, it's going to take us out. Yep. That would really suck if it just came back here to take us out and it's going to keep going. That's probably what it's doing. No, I want it to go lower to pick us up. So this was a strong move up. The last strong move up was way over here. These were kind of meh. Did he get us? Yeah, it did. Okay, now that you picked us up at the strong level, don't go down any further. So maybe that was it. If we look over here on this guy, I mean, that's kind of what happened. Strong level, M9, strong level, below the RDA. How are we over here? Okay, that went over here to the 9. Do we add to this? Yes. See, how are we on time? 11:15. Wow. Oh, somebody shorted 50 contracts right here. Okay. It's kind of a danger area over here for us. Yeah, it did reverse. Let's hope that it's minor. Okay, it's got to push through this area that it's in right now. Let me draw a line at the area that we need to break through, like right there. No, it's 64. Yeah, right here. Okay, looks like it did it. Let's get rid of this. This is actually a really good entry. Well, if it keeps going. So if we're here for 10, that means we got in over here-ish with our first entry, maybe? Is that right? I totally forgot. No. We got in down here with our first one, and then we added a second one up here. The second entry of 5. I was thinking we could just lower our cost basis by dropping the higher one, but the higher one was second, the second order. So, man, if we can't break through this 64 area, I am inclined to just dump this. Okay, let's switch this to 10. So we'll give it some room. Or if I think it's not going to cut it, I'll just exit and take this 1500. What are you doing, dude? That kind of sucked. Watch it build a box right here. $52 is kind of a low for it. Here, we'll see if we can get in for 5. So we reduced our basis from 10 to 5 right in that area. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Wish we had more contracts. Okay, blast through this S2 pivot and up here. See if it makes it through that S2 pivot. So targets this area, then this area. Let me get rid of this stuff that I drew earlier. This is freaking going to go sideways now, isn't it? Okay, what do we got in terms of channels and stuff? We got this. We've got this. And we've got, I know it's a lot. That. Okay. That's a descending one. You know what? That's old. We can get rid of that. So we got a sideways one. What is this? Oh, that's that. Okay. You know what? Let me bump this up. I thought I saved this. And 2, 2. Finding lines everywhere. Okay. So we got this guy here. We got the sideways action here. This is the 50 of the sideways one. So we set the high and the low over here, overshoot down, overshoot at the top, came over by the 50, actually just overshot it a little bit. Now we're flirting with this 50, and it just put us briefly in the red. Oh, is it going to come down here again? Maybe we should just take our profits and go to lunch, get a McRib. Oh, let's move this over. Yeah, this is garbagey range stuff now that we're starting, with the high end being the S2 pivot, low end being the 24. Oh, I think we need to get out of this. If this guy closes, oh, might need to reverse again. Let's see where this one closes. It's going to close right around here. It's like some garbagey slow-mo action here. How are we in this video? 41 minutes is too long. Only thing is, see, we're wiki on the bottom. Come on, dude. You want to reverse. It's momentum long, momentum short. This guy wants to cross, go momentum long. And the 15-second is momentum and bias short. I need to listen to that one. Oh, geez. Oh, my push above it. You can do it, dude. Oh, no, it can't. Yeah, it wants to get up here, right here. 955. Yes. Man, it's really struggling above that area. It's not tied to anything here on the left. Descending channel here. Here we want this guy to close above 53. Good, good. We'll take off 5 here. Oh, it's a trailing stop. Engulfing candle to the north. Strong. It didn't engulf. Took us out. That's fine. 2060. Here, we'll call it here. This was kind of a... Ugh. I did not like this. I mean, it was sideways. Okay, let's talk about this a little bit. So we went for like 45 minutes. It was kind of garbagey trading on my behalf. But I mean, we were going sideways and I let myself get caught up in that. Not too happy about that. I mean, if we look at this, right, I mean, it's largely this, maybe even smaller. Something like that, maybe. maybe could try just maybe could even do that with overshoots. And it got caught up in here, reversed, and all that stuff. I mean, I think this is going to keep going. I mean, this is a good sign. I wish this green was taller than this red. But anyway, not too happy with this performance. I mean, it was 2000. Did not start off well, went against us. I think I reversed. And I should have been better about getting caught up in this whole sideways action. This right here was an indicator that it was going short. I really don't remember what happened over there. Actually, I think this is when we first started. So actually, we'll look at that. That'll be a good spot to enter. But anyway, so yeah, if this range is to be observed, right? Oh, it came down. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. OR low, or maybe this guy here is a target. Okay, anyway, this here was an indicator that was short, definitely because of this little dude here in the middle, trampoline right here, and this volume imbalance below. This will kind of pull it down. It overshot the volume imbalance a little bit. There's another one up here, tag that one. Then it just kind of went sideways. You know, this kind of coincides with this trash over here. And losing some good trading over here on the next one. But I don't think I want to trade this lunch stuff, or do I? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, it kind of went sideways and down. This is a shaved candle, meaning that there's nothing underneath it. But man, it was a decisive turnaround right here. Strong shaved candle going north. This guy right here, solid candle going up. And this, oh man, look at that right there. I didn't notice that. Somebody longed it right at the tippy top over there. Let me see that one. Yeah, it's 40. Somebody longed at 46 right here. 46 contracts. Oh, look at that. Came back up. And no, it's probably going to come up here and go up here. So anyway, not too happy with what I did there in the initial thing and this sideways action. Could have done a lot better, but it's going sideways. Who knows? Maybe it'll go sideways for another hour. But best entries for the long are down here. Best entries for the short are up here. And you pick a side and go with it, or sit on your hands and do nothing. So, yeah, look at that. Coming back up right in this little big old range box, right smack dab in the middle. Let's see what it's going to do, up or down. One of the two is going to be correct. But we got 2,000 right now. That's decent for 40, 50 minutes. Could be better. Could be a lot better. But it was kind of garbagey trading on my behalf. And the market wasn't too good. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on episode number 6.